Today's video, we're going to be working on this in the hoop Axolotl fringe mask. It measures 5.4 inches in width and then 10.4 inches in height. For the stabilizer, I'm going to be using this one, the wash away, that is clear and kind of feels like plastic. I'm using 2 sheets, and we can go ahead and start with the first placement. We'll be using felt for this mask, and I'm going to place it on top of the placement and have the machine start again, that we can hold it in place, and then afterwards we're going to remove the extra fabric around it. Everything is cut away, we're ready to put it back into the machine, and it's going to stitch out the fringe around the spikes and the details on the mask. And then I'll be back once we're ready to cut out the fringe and add our piece of fabric on the back. So let me put this back in. And here it is, we're almost done. So we're going to go ahead and flip it to the back and grab our second piece of felt fabric. We're going to either use some basting adhesive to hold that in place, or you can use tape to hold it as well and place it on top. And now we can take it back to the machine, start the machine again, that way I can create the final stitches connecting the top and bottom together. And here it is, all done. Let's go ahead and remove it from the hoop. Now that we've cut and removed all of the fabric and stabilizer, we're ready to cut out the fringe from the back. And you just want to go in and here it is, we're all done with this really fun fringe in the hoop mask. I will link the file down below in case you guys want to check it out, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.